Okay, so I have just started my streaming. Um, it's very simple service. Actually, I'm just signing up for AWS, but the thing is, I have actually missed few, uh, pages. I'm here in step 3. So step 1, 2, I have just captured the snapshot. Let me show what is there. Okay, share X. In short, today is 5th. Okay, I guess it is somewhere. View small list details. So this is today's 21st, right? So these are the screenshot, obviously. Okay, so this is the offer, AWS free tier, and there are actually three kind of free. One is free trial, but it is not completely free after some time, or after some capacity. For storage 5 GB is free, and after that is, if you want to use more, then it's not free anymore. Then 12 month free services, some services are 12 months free. Okay, so this is the 12 months free. It's Amazon EC2. It's a virtual computer. Storage, this is also 12 months free. So these are a free trial for 12 months free. And then what else we have? This is 12 months. Okay, there is one thing, always free. Some of the services are actually always free, and that comes with the other services. We will come to know that. So per month, 720 hours, free. It's a huge amount actually. If you want to take advantage of this to learn things, to experiment things, this is great. Database is same as the computer virtual machine. The database also have 750 hours free hours per month of database usage. Applicable DB engines. These are the database options. It's actually a lot of free options. And yes, but there is a downside. If you need some more space and some additional service, and then you just enable things, because it's very easy to enable, to increase sizes and those things, and you will end up bill like this or even more. So I have 1 month bill of this, one of my services, AWS account, and it is actually estimated this much. It can increase based on your services or features you have enabled. So you see, this is free, and then I have just used this elastic compute cloud, and then I got billed and tax this much. So hope this is clear. So this is the first screen when you sign up. Okay, you select personal or business. If you're business, you select business. If you, of course, I'm targeting personal for free tier, so it's choose personal, and then you fill up the details, address, and all so on and so forth. And second thing, this is second thing, is you give the proper phone number and an address. This is step 2, and then we will continue from there. Okay, so this is step 3, and obviously it is saying that you have to enter the credit card or debit card, and it will not charge you for usage below AWS free tier limit. So it's actually giving you secure information. It's a good information that if you remain below the free tier limit, you will not be charged. This is to verify your kind of account, you're a valid person or not. For that, it is kind of do the transaction for minimum amount of your local currency. For example, Indian currency, it will maybe transfer 1 rupees to check the credit card is valid or not, and then it refunds, actually it returns back the money. So let's see, I will enter this value while it is out of my screen. Okay, just a moment, where is my details? So I'm entering my details, for example. I think this is not kind of right way to enter this credit card details. So I will do one thing. I'll stop or somewhere how to make this happen. What I will do, I will stop display for the moment, and that way I guess I can share I can enter my information, and then I will enable the thing. So let's enter my credit card details. Okay, so I have actually done entering the data. Step 3 is now it's going to actually charge 2 rupees from my credit card, and I have to enter here OTP I just received in my mobile phone, which is kind of okay. Let's see. Okay, I have submitted. Now it's Amazon Pay. It's validating my payment. Okay, so payment is done. Confirm your identity. Okay, I have to again give the mobile number here. So India, and then mobile number. Okay, enter the mobile number, and then this I have to kind of, what is this? Let's see. Okay, I guess I got wrong security character here, so it failed. It has failed. Let me refresh this. For human it is difficult. Let's see here this.
Please type the numbers you hear.
9,
2,
3,
8,
5, 2,
So I heard the audio and it gives me that number, send SMS. I will be receiving the SMS. Okay, I got the SMS. I also got the deduction of 2 rupees from my credit card. So this confirm your identity. So much strict. Okay, so primary purpose of the account registration is personal use, research, academic, others, personal, of course, and then ownership is also individual. Continue. Okay, so we have actually choose a support plan for your business personal account. We got basic support free, recommended for new users just getting started with AWS. Okay, and developer support from 29 rupee dollar per month, recommended for developers experimenting with AWS. Email access to AWS support during business hours. Okay, $100 per month. Running production workload on AWS. And no response time. I will choose this one because that is the purpose of this video after all, and then complete the sign up. Congratulations, thank you for signing up for AWS. We are activating your account, which should only take few minutes. We'll receive some email. So let's see if we get an email. So far we have not received the email. Yes, we got one email. What is this? So this is the welcome, but this is 28 minutes ago, but I just supposed to get new email now. So that means go to AWS Management Console. Okay. Personalize your experience. My role is hobbyist. I'm interested in what is website and web app and others, learning, certification. What should I choose? It's just learning and certification. This would be perfect. But we can choose any other if we like. Websites and web app also should be fine. I have interest on that. Okay, we submit. Thank you. So try a tutorial on free tire. Deploy Docker container, run a serverless hello world, compute, launch a virtual machine. So this is a heads up to start something. Launch a WordPress website, launch a web application. We can see this what's there, launch configure instance with Amazon Light. Okay, we'll experiment that. For the moment we want to go to product. So these are the products. You see a lot of products. EC2 is the virtual machine, virtual server. This is storage, and this is database. And these are function like serverless. Okay, any code you can run here. And this is VPC. Okay, a lot of things. Cost to complete, free tier eligible, 10 minute. Okay, so this Amazon Light sale is actually free tier eligible. Hmm. So it has to pass 24 hours, then only we can access this. But I guess we want to start with this one. This is number one free tier. Interest of our interest is we want to create a virtual machine which will have a lot of software installed, like PLC software. It may be Siemens TI portal or a Courses or Rockwell Studio 5000, any software that we want to experiment and practice. We will install in that virtual machine. We'll use that virtual machine for a few days, maybe just below 12 months, of course, so that we don't get the charge and bill. This is too good. So let's get started with EC2. And here we need to kind of um, log in using the email ID we have registered with AWS. And that's for me this one. We know password is this, so try to log in, and I have logged in. Right now I don't have any service running, so all these summary resources is being used will be summed up here. So you are using the following Amazon EC2 resources. I don't have any usage except one security group. I want to see what is that. Okay, so this is default security group. And how to create one virtual machine from here, launch instance, or go to global view. We want to make sure that we are creating free resource, the resource that is available for free. And here are the limits. I guess this will limit page is deactivated. Here also we can start creating our instance. So this is where, and now this is new EC2 experience, and from here we can launch new instance. So this is one streaming. I will continue another